indodakazi kaFaro yathi kuye, hamba nalo mntwana ungincelisele yena, ngiza kukukhokhela. Owesifazane wamthatha ke umntwana wamncelisa. Umfana wakhulwa wayiswa kuyo indodakazi kaFaro, waba indodana yayo, yamqamba igama lokuthi nguMose, ithi ngokuba yamkhipha emanzini.
Amen. English, verse 9.
And Pharaoh's daughter said to her, take this child away and nurse him for me.
Take this child away and nurse him for me. Any version just down my line lounge. For any version it's okay.
Take this baby and nurse him for me.
Take this baby and nurse him for me. Doctor, ufune line nje.
The prince told the baby mother.
Pardon?
The prince told the baby mother.
Come again.
The prince told the baby mother.
The queen.
The prince
The prince. Okay?
told the baby mother.
Okay?
I will pay you for you help me. So the woman took her baby home and nursed him.
Okay. Okubalulekile ukuthi thatha lo mntwana ungikhulisele yena. Thatha lo mntwana ungikhulisele yena. Lo mntwana lona asimkhiphe ngozina kiyo. Ngoba kanohlala isikhathi eside lapha emanzini. Yize le basket efakwe kuyo is so protective, amanzi awangeni. But akanohlala isikhathi eside ngenxa yezilwane ezikhona lapha ezi-dangerous. And besides izilwane, I strongly believe ukuthi Pharaoh umndeni wakhe ama-rituals bebawenzela khona lawo manzi. Manje ukuze lo mntwana angahabuli izinto zaseGibhithe, awumsuse mthatha, awumkhulisele. Ngiyavuma ukuthi mina anginamandla kahle